Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another scent talk. So this will be a short video lang kasi isang product lang i-review ko para sa inyo. So, kanina, nag-film ako ng aking favorite or mga scent that I will forever repurchase. And nabanggit ko doon na dapat etong si Victoria's Secret Tease is kasali doon. And look at this. Ayan, sobrang unti na lang niya. So, this is Victoria's Secret Tease. Ayan, ito yung lumang packaging nila. So, usually, ginagamit ko to palagi, obvious naman. And palagi ko siyang i-repurchase. Or hindi ko siya, or parang hindi ako makaka-survive nang wala siya. Kasi nga, sobrang favorite ko siya. But then, I discovered something from, alam yun, parang nag-browse lang ako sa mga shops, sa Lazada, and then sa Shopee. I found a review ng isang scent na to, and then sabi daw nila is dupe daw yung scent na yon nito. So, ako, napahanap ako ng iba pang reviews and information. So, I went to TikTok, to Facebook, and then hinanap ko. And then maraming nagsasabi guys na dupe nga daw talaga yun. So, since hindi ko na napigilan ng sarili ko, I bought this scent. So, this is Body Fantasies Sweet Sunrise. So, I got the 236 ml. O, diba? Gusto ko lang itry, pero binili ko yung full bottle. Pasensya na guys kung maingay kasi umuulan. So, ayan. Ganito yung itsura niya guys. It's from the brand Body Fantasies. And if you are into scent, I know that you are already familiar with this brand na. Ayan. So, this one, sabi nila dupe daw talaga. So, ako sobrang excited ko guys. I bought this. So, ngayon sa video natin sasabihin ko sa inyo kung dupe nga ba siya. Okay, first let's talk about the Victoria's Secret Tease. So, ang top notes niya are pear, lychee, red apple, and mandarin orange. Middle notes are gardenia, freesia, magnolia, jasmine, and sweet pea. Base notes are black vanilla musk, benzoin, chocolate sandalwood, musk, and amber. Okay. This one, alam niyo na yung amoy nito. This is a sexy vanilla scent. Like, actually, it's not a straight up vanilla. It's a floral fruity scent on the opening. Like, the top notes is sobrang sweet scent. So, that's this. When it dries down, makukuha mo na doon yung mixture ni fruity at saka ni vanilla. Sobrang favorite ko to guys. Alam kong alam niyo yan. But, sabi daw, dupe daw to. Okay, so basahin ko muna sa inyo yung notes niya. Sweet Sunrise is a floral fruity fragrance for women. Top notes are mandarin orange, peach, and wild berries. Middle notes are gardenia, coconut, orchid, and jasmine. Base notes are caramel, whipped cream, vanilla, amber, and woodsy notes. Okay, so this Sweet Sunrise, this is the moment of truth. Guys, I can say, as someone who uses this palagi, that this is a nice dupe of Victoria's Secret Tease. Sobrang parehas ng vibe na ibinibigay nila. Okay, so sasabihin ko lang sa inyo yung slight na pinagkaiba nila. Kasi since magkaiba naman sila na scent, magkaiba silang brand, of course, they have different formulations. So, hindi pwede na they are straight up magkaamoy talaga. I will be lying kapag sabi ko, magkaamoy, walang pinagkaiba, and so on. Okay. So, anong pinagkaiba nila? So, this Sweet Sunrise is a lot fruitier. Okay? So, sa middle note, meron daw siyang gardenia, jasmine, and so on. Ayan, may ganun daw siyang side. But then, hindi ko siya masyado nakukuha. Ang mas nakukuha ko sa kanya is the fruity notes, like the sweetness and the sugary berries, plus a hint of citrus, which is not present dito. But don't get me wrong guys, kahit may citrus to, alam niyo naman na hindi ako mahilig sa citrus, but then still pasado siya sa akin. This has a fruity notes, like matamis siya and fruity siya, pero wala siyang citrus or wala siyang hint ng onting, alam mo yung parang zest, ganun. Pero si Sweet Sunrise, on initial spray, or sa una, may makukuha ka na parang zest, or parang, alam mo yung parang piga nung cover, nung peel ng citrus, or ng mga oranges, ganun. Di ba, parang may zest yun, kung gets nyo ako. So, may ganun siya, guys. And, okay lang siya for me, because it makes this Sweet Sunrise parang summer, or mas mainit na panahon appropriate. So, maganda yung initial, yung freshness na ibibigay niya. If you are parang into scents na fresh, o kaya bagong ligo ka lang, medyo basa-basa pa yung hair mo, you just want to parang spray, a spritz of freshness, ganon. This with Sunrise, sobrang ganda niya guys. And when it dries down, doon mo na makukuha guys yung similarity niya kay Tease. Like the scent of parang sexy vanilla-y scent. Nandun siya guys. The only difference aside from that citrus notes is it's a lot sugary than this one. Ayan. So, si Tease po kasi is, yes, matamis siya. But then, it's more of parang a creamy scent. Like, the dry down, gets nyo ako, parang mas buo. Alam mo yung amoy na parang whipped tea, like that. Yung whipped na vanilla, ganon yung dry down niya. It's very smooth, ganon. It's parang creamy, ganon. Yung parang, kumbaga, the texture. While this one, yung texture niya, kung ilalagay ko siya sa, yung notes niya, rather, kung ilalagay ko siya sa texture, para siyang granules, like, medyo rough. Ganon yung amoy niya, guys. Kasi, yung pagka-vanilla niya is parang sugared. So, if you, kung nai-imagine nyo, yung texture ni whipped cream, tapos yung texture ni cotton candy, alam mo yun, parang silang matamis, yes. This one is parang a lot more, parang granulated yung pagka-sugar niya. So, yung pagkatamis niya, guys, and pagka-vanilla, parang hiwa-hiwalay. Like, Tease na sobrang smooth lang. Pero, kung hindi kayo ganun ka-very particular, magkaamoy talaga sila, guys. May nakalimutan lang ako kasi dapat ipapaamoy ko to sa ibang tao. Like, sa mga kapwa ko na nakakasalamuha. Gusto ko ipaamoy sa kanila to, kaso nga lang, gusto ko na i-film din to. So, hindi ko na sila napaamoy. Pero ako, alam niyo naman na madalas ko gamitin si Tease. And I know, and I have memorized the scent of Tease. And magkaamoy talaga sila, guys. So, kung hindi kayo masyadong particular dun sa scent, dun sa properties na, alam niyo yun, parang nai-imagine or na-visualize ko kasi yung itsura ng scent. Ayun, yun lang yung pinagkaiba nila. It has a zest of citrus, tapos sa dry down, parehas sila na fruity, vanilla, but then it's smooth, it's creamy, while this one is sugary. So, ganun lang yung pinagkaiba nila. But then, so sobrang mahal nito guys, it's 1,000 pesos, and this one, nakuha ko lang siya for 300 plus. Sususi pa ba naman tayo, guys? So, ako, hanggat hindi siya nagbumura, eto lang yung gagamitin ko. Kasi kapag hindi mo naman siya aamoy ng malapitan, like, kunyari, in-spray mo lang siya, makukuha mo lang yung whip sa air, hindi mo naman agad ma-identify na magkaiba sila. So, especially kung gusto nilang basta pabangong matamis, eto, si Sweet Sunrise, highly recommended ko. So, yun, hindi ko sinasabi na, like, straight up, walang pinagkaiba sila. But, then, sobrang same ng vibe na ibinibigay nila. So, if you just want parang a hint of parang sweetness, tapos vanilla-y, yun, eto, si Sweet Sunrise, masasuggest ko sa inyo. This is around mga 8.5 to 9 over 10 yung pagiging dupe niya. Still, sa murang halaga guys, you will get the scent of Tease. So, yan, sana nakatulong sa inyo yung video na to. And kung kagaya ko kayo na madalas nakakabasa ng review that this Sweet Sunrise is a dupe of Tease, sana naliwanagan kayo sa aking paliwanag. Or, hindi ko alam, baka lalo kayo naguluhan. Pero, yun, pasensya na kayo guys. So, yun, thank you so much for watching. It's already 2 AM na. Medyo inaantok na ako, matutulog na ako guys. Kasi tomorrow, uwi na ako sa aming province. So, ayun, thank you so much for watching. Sana manood kayo ng mga videos ko. Total bakasyon naman, di magpabudol na lang kayo sa akin. Ayan, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!